Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Acum DC901 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: the Acum DC901 Cordless Stick Vacuum is a compact vacuum that measures 30 inches long when fully assembled. The entire kit weighs 13.8 pounds, but that includes the charger as well as all of the attachments. The actual weight varies between 3.5 and 5 pounds, depending on what exactly you have attached. This is more than light enough to carry in one hand, so you can easily clean curtains and other awkward areas. The Acum's motor and handle are housed in a base unit that's constructed from tough black plastic. The frame is constructed from aluminum, with a few glossy highlights on the outside. The vacuum tube is a standard gray aluminum, with clips on both ends to connect to the base and attachments. The pistol grip also reduces strain on your wrists and forearms. And the motor and battery are both positioned behind the grip, which makes for excellent balance. The collection bin is located just in front of the grip, and it has a unique design. It opens from the bottom, at the push of a single button on the grip. This makes it exceptionally easy to empty. Just hold it over a trash can, press the button, and your dirt will drop into the trash. No need to worry about removing a hopper or changing any dust bags. The overall capacity is 0.6 liters, which is pretty substantial for such a compact, lightweight machine. The DC901 vacuum ships with a wall mount for easy charging. It's magnetic, which keeps your vacuum in place without the need to clip into anything. Just install it on your wall near a power outlet, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Unfortunately, the wall mount isn't designed to hold your attachments, so you'll need to find some place to store them. The Acum produces 10 kilopascals of suction. A typical name brand upright vacuum will put out about 14 kilopascals. So, while DC901 isn't quite as powerful as an upright vacuum, it stacks up very well for a stick vac. To put this in perspective, 10 kilopascals is more than enough for vacuuming the average carpet. It's also plenty for catching stray dirt, road salt, and other small debris. But if you somehow manage to spill gravel all over your floor, it's probably smarter to just use a broom. The other replaceable part on the Acum is the 4-stage filter. It consists of an inner pre-filter, along with a traditional ribbed filter. Technically, this is only 2 stages, but each stage has 2 different layers. Acum doesn't advertise a HEPA rating, but they do claim that their filters remove pollen and dust mites. Pros: good cleaning performance on hard surface floor. Includes a large number of accessories. Easy to maneuver and very lightweight. 2-in-1 upright and handheld mode. Cons: does not include a traditional agitating brush roll. Relatively short run time.